Yes. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today, we're actually going to have some fun, right? I'm going to check out this new AI that everyone is talking about, right? There's a lot of hype around this AI. This is supposed to be the next big thing and it's supposed to change the world and it can make you a lot of money. Who knows? So I'm going to see if this thing can actually tell me some good information when it comes to trading. I've been trading the markets for 15 years, so I'm going to ask the AI some questions so I can tell if this thing is legit or not, or it's giving us some good answers. So let's have fun with this. I'm going to ask, the AI some questions like, can you show me a strategy that makes $100 a day? We're going to see what the AI bot is going to tell us. So you ready? All right, let's go. Now, before I even get to the questions, me personally, I'm kind of skeptical because when it comes to trading, right, it's more a personal thing and every trader is, very unique. The best way I can explain trading is it's like playing a sport, right? Let's say you're playing tennis. When you are learning tennis, right, you have your foundation, right? So everybody knows the foundation. They know the general rules about tennis. But if you look at every tennis player, they are unique, right? They have their own style. And trading is pretty much the same, right? If you look at basketball, everyone has a very unique style, but they understand the fundamentals, they understand the basics, just like trading. If you understand the basics like support and resistance or, the market structure, yes, you understand that, but every trader is very unique. So that's the best way I can explain it. So when it comes to trading, a lot of things are not black and white. So that's why I'm like, can this really help me with trading? Because I don't, know if the AI has like legit high quality answers. From my research, it's very good for business owners, entrepreneurs. Let's say you want to create articles or create an ebook, or if you are a student and you want to write an essay, it can help you write that or help you with your homework. But when it comes to trading, can it really help us? I don't know. Let's check it out. All right. So if you don't know how to get this, you can go on Google, type in ChatGPT, and basically it will show up. All right. So let's ask the first question. Let's type in, what is scalping trading? All right, so basically they're saying scalping is a type of trading strategy that involves buying and selling financial instruments such as stocks, currencies, and commodities. All right, scalpers aim to profit from the small price movements, and that is 100% correct. So far, it is giving me some good answers. So far, I'm impressed. Okay, so they said small price movements that occur in the market by placing a large number of trades over a short period of time, usually minutes or seconds. And that is correct. Sometimes my trades last 5 minutes, 10 minutes. So yes, that is 100% correct. So let me ask this AI a good question. So can I make $100 a day from day trading? And what I like so far is when I'm asking the AI some questions, it's giving me answers right away. So that's pretty good. So it's saying that it's possible to make $100 a day from day trading. Shout out to all the haters that, think it's not possible. So it is saying that, hey, it's possible, but it says it's not a guaranteed outcome. And it requires significant knowledge, skill, and experience to consistently achieve this level of profitability. Shout out to this AI because that is 100% correct. A lot of people want to come to the market. They think that they can actually watch one video and become a master trader within, a couple of weeks. No, you're going to definitely need the right knowledge. So let's skip a lot of this stuff right here. It's, pretty much saying some good stuff. And it says, let's go to here. It depends on how much you are willing to risk per trade and how much capital you have to begin with. Starting with a smaller amount might not let you hit $100 a day, but it can help you grow in a steady fashion. And that's true, all right? If you have, let's say, a $50 account, you can't expect to make, $100 a day, okay? But the good thing is, let's say you do have a small account, you could eventually get to that level where you can make $100 a day. It said you should also consider to start a realistic goal and not to put your entire network in trading. Yes, that is 100% correct. Okay, so the next question is, what scalping strategy can I use to make $100 a day? Okay, let's see if this bad boy can give us a legit strategy to tell us, how can we make $100 a day? Right, so it's important to note that there is no guarantee strategy for making $100 a day from scalping, as the market are unpredictable and influenced by a wide range of factors. Now, that is 50-50. I don't really believe in that. I believe and I know you can actually find a strategy that can actually give you an edge to make money from the market. But again, you have to put in the work and understand how the market moves. So let's read some more. So this says one popular scalping strategy known as the 5-minute scalping strategy. I don't know what that is. The basic idea behind this is to quickly buy a financial instrument within 5-minute window, taking advantage of small price movements. So it's saying, some general stuff, but it's not giving us, like a specific strategy, do this and do that. So let me read some more. Another common strategy is news scalping strategy, was based on quick buying and selling assets. Yeah, so you definitely could scalp the news. I don't really scalp the news. I like to wait, after the news. But it's not showing us or telling us a specific strategy. So I'm reading this, I'm going over this. It says you should also have a risk management plan in place and be prepared to accept losses as a part of trading. Shout out to that AI. That is 100% correct. You have to have a management plan and you have to accept your losses. So overall, I don't really see any a specific strategy. And this is what I was talking about in the beginning, where I was trying to see if this AI bot can actually show us a specific strategy. Is honestly, I don't know if it's possible, because you really have to dig deep to understand the market. I don't know if this AI can actually do this. So let me ask the AI another question. So the next question is, how can I enter a trade when day trading a trend? Okay, so I'm trying to make it, give me a specific strategy. It is not telling me anything yet. So let me see if it can give me a strategy with this question. So overall, it's saying when day trading with a trend following strategy, the goal is to identify the current trend. Yes, blah, blah, blah. So the first one, they say, all right, this is a little bit more specific because it has 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's see. First, identify this trend. Okay, that's nice. Look for a confirmation of the trend. Once you identify the trend, it's important to look for a confirmation the trend is still in place. And that is 100% correct. Just because you see a trend doesn't mean that the trend is actually in place. And a lot of new traders get trapped like that. Okay, so this can be done using chart patterns such as flag patterns or breakouts, okay, to identify where price is likely to continue to move in that direction. Yeah, that's true, but it's still not giving me a specific answer. So once you identify an entry point, you can enter the trade. Okay, enter the trade, how the trade looks. It's not giving me an exact answer. It says use a stop loss and take profits to minimize the risk and protect your profits. Yes, we understand that. We need, a stop loss. Okay, but can you give us a specific answer on, a strategy? And again, I'm not seeing that. So let me ask you another question. So the next question is, when should I take profits when scalping? Let's see if it can give me something. All right, so far it's saying when scalping, it's important to take profits quickly in order to minimize the risk of giving back gains made on a trade. Now, that is sort of correct, okay? I don't take profits right away. Some moves I could take profits right away. Some moves I probably won't take profits, but I would say 99% of the time I'm not taking profits right away. I'm going to look for minimum maybe 1-to-1, and then if I see the market has room to go up to another level, then I will scalp out the rest. Okay, so it's saying here, for example, a trader might set a profit target of 5 pips per trade or profit target of 2% per trade. Once price reaches that profit target, the trade is closed and the trader moves on to the next opportunity. Again, I guess, that's an okay answer, but it's still, to me, remember, I've been trading for 15 years. It's not, specific enough, okay? I would like it to say maybe a 1-to-1 or 2-to-1 or whatever the case is. It's not telling me that. All right, so let's go to the next question. How to trade supply and demand zones, okay? Let's see if it can give me that answer. So far it's saying trading supply and demand zones is a popular method of identifying key levels of support and resistance. So they saying the basic idea behind this method is prices will tend to gravitate towards areas where there is an imbalance between supply and demand of an asset. These imbalances are often represented by areas on the chart where price has made a strong move and then suddenly stop and reverse. Shout out to this AI bot. I like this answer because every time I explain supply and demand, I always talk about you looking for an aggressive move up or aggressive move down. So it's the same thing. You're telling me the same thing. You look for a strong move, right? Now let's see if this AI can give me a specific strategy. I'm still looking for that, right? I'm impressed by the answers. I love the answers, but it's not giving me a specific strategy. Here is a general outline. So let's see. Identify supply and demand zones. Okay, that's nice. These are typical represent of large numbers of buyers and sellers. Yes, we all know that, okay, which is good. Let's see if they can give us a strategy. When price reaches a zone, once you have identified a supply or demand zone, you should wait for price to reach that zone before entering a trade, okay? It's important to wait for confirmation that price is indeed going to respect that zone. Let's get it. I like that, right? Because a lot of people will, buy that zone or sell that zone just because they see a zone. Now, I'm not saying that doesn't work, all right? I'm not saying that. There are times when you can actually get away with that. But if you are new, okay, especially if you're new, it's best to wait for some type of confirmation that price is going to respect that zone, man. Shout out to this AI. Let's get it. So, it says confirm the breakout. Once price reaches supply or demand zone, you should confirm that it's breaking out of the zone. Okay. All right. So enter the trade. Okay. Once we confirm that the breakout, you can enter the trade by placing a buy order. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. I don't see a specific strategy, but let's see. And I wonder if they're going to say place the stop loss above the zone. Let's see. I don't see that yet. Yeah. It doesn't say where to put the stop loss. Okay. And again, shout out to this AI. I'm not, hating on it. All right. Overall, it's giving me some great answers, right? I'm very impressed, but it's still not specific enough. Okay. But to me, this is the best answer so far. It's giving me, somewhat of a good strategy. So I'm going to try to, ask the question. Actually put it twice, but the question is, can you tell me a good day trading strategy using the 5-minute chart? Okay. So let's see if this bad boy can just give me a specific answer on a strategy. All right, so this one, it says this could be done with RSI, MACD. Okay, entry points. Okay, let's see if it's going to give us a specific way to enter. Once momentum is found, you can look for entry points by using chart patterns by waiting for pullbacks to a support or a key level. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, enter the trade once price is identified. You can enter the trade by placing a buy order if the trend is upward or a sell order if the trend is downward. It's still not giving me a specific way to enter, okay? Should I enter when I see a specific candlestick or, a double top or a double bottom? Like, it's not giving me that. But overall, I like the answers. Let's ask the AI a psychology question. So let's go. What to do when I feel bad when I take a loss when trading? Okay, the AI is saying losses are a normal part of trading. Shout out to that. And it's not uncommon for a trader to feel bad when they experience a loss. All right, that's true. Okay, so it's giving us a few things that we can do if we feel bad after the loss. Stay calm and take a break. That is 100% correct. Review the trade. Let's get it. How many times I tell you guys to review your trades? Man. All right. Anyway, don't beat yourself up. Shout out to the AI. I love that. Refocus your goals. All right. Remember to stick to your plan. Remember to stick to your plan. Do not go against your plan, man. Let's get it. Keep things in perspective. Keep in mind that one loss does not define your overall trading performance. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, guys. I'm getting hyped. I'm sorry. But overall, I love this answer. I love this answer. I love this answer. All right. So that's pretty much it. I tried to get a specific strategy from this AI, but honestly, it didn't really give me a specific strategy. And believe it or not, I'm not surprised because I told you guys before, trading is very personal. It's very hard for, an AI, in my opinion, to tell you how to create a legit strategy. That's why you need mentors that have been doing this for a long time. It's like trying to read a book on how to surf. I mean, can you really read a book on how to surf? No, you need a mentor showing you, hey, when you hit this wave, you need to do this or you need to do that, okay? So when you learn trading, it's best to do things like that. You need to see it, right? You need to see like videos of someone explaining, okay, when it hit that key level, this is what you do. This is where you put your stop loss. very specific. But I tried and I had fun. Overall, I believe this AI is very useful for people that are looking for, general information or to help you out with your business, writing articles, homework, writing essays, maybe creating an ebook, right? So you could definitely use this AI for that, all right? If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and also make sure you check out my trading program if you want to take your trading to the next level. I actually have a sale going on right now, so make sure you take advantage of that because it's going to end very soon. It's below in the description. Comment below if you have a question because I try to answer all your guys' questions. Thanks a lot for your time, and please have a great day.